Dear children, in the previous classes, we learned the 12 forms of verb and its uses. Today, I will discuss an exercise on 12 forms of verb based on the ICSE English Language question paper pattern. As you see on the screen, it will be in a paragraph with blanks. After every blank, a verb is given in the bracket. You should understand the statement and know which tense it is in. Then you will change the given verb into that form and fill it in the blank. Let us do the exercise now. Yesterday, Savita dash, in the bracket it is given, come to my house to give me the happy news of her standing first in the board examination. Here, the first word, yesterday, says that it is of past. So, you will fill the blank with the past form of the verb given in the bracket, that is, came. So, what do you write there? Came in the first blank. Now, here in the second sentence, I dash be in the bracket. What does it mean? Be. They are called be verbs. What are all be verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, been. You should fill any one of these in the blank according to the tense of the sentence. As overjoyed, the past verb tells us it is about the past. You will fill the past form of the be verb, that is, was or were. So here you have to see the singular and the plural also. As, before the blank it is there, I. So you will fill the blank with was. Before the blank there is I. So the first person singular, you will fill was over there. I was overjoyed to know this. And now the next sentence. We dash in the bracket share our views regarding the latest trend in paper setting. Here in this sentence, it says that what they talked about, what they discussed about, it is all of the past. So, you will fill the blank with the past form of the verb given in the bracket, that is, shared. We shared our views regarding the latest trend in paper setting. Now, come to the next sentence. She also dash in the bracket tell and then me that she does in the bracket attend all the classes regularly. Here we have two past events. One is what Savita had done and the other action was she told. So when we talk about two actions which happened in the past, the first action we will be writing in past perfect tense and the second action will be writing in simple past. So here attended the classes is the first action and telling it about is the second action. So you will fill accordingly. It goes like this. She also told me that she had attended all the classes regularly. Now come to the next sentence. The next sentence says she never dash in bracket miss any class. It tells about her past action. So only it talks about the past action. So simple past verb, you will fill it. The simple past verb of miss is missed. So in the blank you will write missed. That is, she never missed any class. The next sentence. This habit dash in bracket help her a lot. It also tells the past action. So you will fill the blank with the past form of the verb given in the bracket. That is helped. So this habit helped her a lot. Here the last sentence. Now she dash in bracket decide to go to UK for further studies. Here the sentence says that she has started some action and it will be expected to continue. There, when we expect something will continue and it has begun before, there you will use present perfect tense. So here you will fill the blank with the present perfect form of the verb that is given in the bracket. That is, has decided. Now she has decided to go to UK for further studies. I'll give you the answers of all the 8 blanks. First blank, came. Second, was. Third, shared. Fourth, told. Fifth, had attended. Sixth, missed. Seventh, helped. Eighth, has decided. So children, I will send the worksheet of some exercises based on this pattern. You will complete those exercises in your language register and send the pictures of those exercises to my WhatsApp number.